Hello means welcome, greetings, hello, thank you, and goodbye.
So there's cold from there.
This Maori village is one where they people live here alongside the thermal springs. It closes at 4, so I guess then people use this just normally, but I don't know, I'm a bit scared about living next to the thermal springs myself. Look, right there. It's actually quite a hot day, so for this to be steaming, that water must be really hot. You can see the mud bubbling through the water. Gee, look at it. You can actually feel the heat from here. That is nature. Mad. This water is so hot that they can't use it to bathe in. They have to take some of this off and mix it with cooler water for their hot spring pools.
In all honesty, this is much better than Craters of the Moon. It is absolutely crazy, and you can get so close to everything. And there's even a geyser here, which is on the other side, which hopefully we'll see later.
We've kind of got this place to ourselves as well. We've just passed one other small family, and that's it.
We've got no food for you though, I'm sorry. You can move it now. You're my cat now. You're my cat now, eh? You my cat? Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Is that the other one?
We're on the viewing platform here watching the geyser. He's been going on for quite, a good 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
It goes off every 45 to 60 minutes, and we've seen so many tours like just come and say, oh no, it's not going now, and you're turning around going off again, and we just sat here by ourselves and waited, and we saw it, and as you can see, we are now the only ones here. So my tip, if you want to see that, is just hang about.
Okay, if we can kind of stay there, kind of, and just move in towards the little fence, I'm trying to group you all together. Just come.
Time to follow us out about.
Straight. 8th Street says what it is on the tin.
Okay.
Okay, if we can't find something to eat here. This is Lake Rotorua. Nice to see so many people out and about enjoying the parks and the water here.